Hello friends, class 5 history chapter number 1 what is a history workbook question answer fill in the blanks. The science that try to understand the past event is called history. History is not written slowly on the basis of imagination. We realize from history that the future depends on the past events. Technology developed hand in hand with the physical and intellectual development of man. Invention of present are only possible on the foundation of the discoveries and the invention of the past. This is the fill in the blanks question answer. Next, classify the source of history using the chart given below. It's the answer. You can write, you can stop the video and pause the video and you can write the answer. Material, written and oral. Material, there is a coin, fort, forts, rock cut caves, pillars, old structures. In a written, there is a letter, copper plates stored in a inscription and biography. In oral, there is a folk song, folk tales, traditional song. The next question, answer the following question in a one sentence. What is the scientific method? The method of using a number of different tests to determine the evidence is reliable is called the scientific method. The second one, the India independence is a consonant result of which action? The answer is the independence of India is the consistent result of the struggle of the people of India for independence. The next one, what does the study of history make possible? The study of history make it possible for us to study what is and what is not favorable for the progress of human society. The fourth one, state the source of history. The answer, the source of history are of three types: material, written and the oral sources. Next one, what does the history of science tell us? The history of science tells about the scientists who made a scientific discoveries that brought change in human culture, human civilization. How does history attempt to find solution to problem before a human civilization? The history attempt to find the answer to many questions by studying the way of thinking of past societies, their action and the consequences of those actions. Okay. The next is, why is history considered to be a scientific discipline? First, history uses scientific method while looking for and collecting the evidence. Second point, it uses scientific method while examining the evidence and putting it together. Third, help is taken from other science when required. Question number 2. What are the obstacles in the way of village development? First, individual or collective action on human being conscience. Some action result in an environment that is not favorable for the progress of society. The third point is, the obstacles in the way of village development are people of the village do not work together. The next one is, how do future events depend on the past event? The event of the present time are linked with the post action. For example, the people of India fought against the British government to win independence. The third point, learning from the India example to win independence. The learning from the India example, the people in other countries of the Afro-Asian, the foreign ruler and gained independence. This prove that future events developed on the past. Write a short note on the following benefit of history. You can write the answer. The study of history enables to us learn things that are favorable and those which are unfavorable for the progress of human society. It provides us a guideline about how we should behave today to shape a good future. The life story of the great people told by history inspire and motivates. We learn about the essence that took place between our civilization and essence that took place between the civilization and other